isa rin to sa mga differentiating characteristics ng partnership sa corporation. Okay? Hindi pwedeng mag-admit ng partner na hindi papayag lahat ng current partners. Ng additional partners, hindi pwedeng mag-add ng additional partner or additional partner without the approval of all current partners. No one can become a member of the partnership association without the consent of all other associates. So yun yung mahalaga. Ito yung pinakaiba niya sa corporation. Pwede kang maging shareholder ng SM without even knowing who are the other shareholders. Unlike sa partnership, kailangan mag-agree. Pero of course, pwede mong i-assign yung rights mo, yung mga certain rights mo as a partner to another person without the consent ng other partners. For example, part ako ng ABC partnership. Gusto kong i-admit si letter D sa aming partnership para maging ABCD partnership. Pero kung gusto ko siyang i-admit, kailangan magpayag si A, si B. Okay? Para ma-admit si D as a partnership. Okay? However, kung ang habol lang naman ni D is a certain profit, gusto niya lang magkaroon ng profit, pwede kong ibenta yung share ko, a portion of my share, like example, 50% yung share ko sa partnership. Ibibigay ko sa kanya yung 10% doon. Pwede yon without the need of the consent ng other partners. Kasi nga, akin naman yung share na yon. So, pwede kong ibigay yon. Pero hindi pa rin magiging partner si D. Okay? So, wala siyang say sa operation. Nag-receive lang siya ng partnership profit through my share. Naintindihan? Pero for the admission of partnership, of partner in the partnership, kailangan ng consent. Pero for the assignment of interest, hindi na kailangan ng consent ng other partners. Yung assignment of interest. So the legal capacity, no, nasa oblicon to, nasa obligations and contracts nito, these individuals cannot give their consent to a contract of partnership. Generally, in all contracts. First, unemancipated minors, yung mga hindi pa below 18.
Legal
Letter
age.
B, yung mga 18 or demented minors. Deaf mutes who do not know how to write. Persons who are suffering from civil interdiction, yung may mga kaso and nakulong na. And of course, incompetents who are under guardianship. Ito yung mga incompetents, ito yung mga special people good. Hindi sila minors, lampas na sila 18. Pero hindi naman sila baliw. Nakakarinig naman sila. Pero because of the special cases, like may sakit sila, hindi sila nakakabigay ng consent. However, yung guardian nila is pwedeng magbigay ng consent on their behalf. Katulad nitong minors, pwede naman yung kanilang guardian. Also, isa pang prohibited is yung mga persons who are prohibited from giving each other any donation. Yung walang capacity to donate with each other cannot create a universal partnership together. Okay? For example, persons who are prohibited from giving each other any donation would be yung husband and wife. Okay? They are prohibited to donate. Matandaan ba ito sa tax 2 nyo? I think. Tax 2 na ba kayo?
Yes, sir.
O, sa tax 2, wala pa yung iba. Nung sa tax 2 nyo sa donors, hindi pwedeng mag-donate si husband kay wife and hindi rin pwedeng mag-donate si wife kay husband.
Yes,
In the
sir.
first place, ang assumption ng law is lahat ng property ni husband is pagmamayari din ni wife. And lahat ng property ni wife is pagmamayari din ni husband. So, wala na rin donation na nangyayari. Pero, pakitandaan lang, ang hindi lang nila pwedeng gawin is a universal partnership. Other than universal partnership, pwede na. Example, yung professional partnership, di ba may makita kayong mga law firms? AB law firms, yung mag-asawa pala yung nagmamayari ng law firms na yun, that's a partnership. Pwede yun, ina-allow yun because that's a particular partnership, hindi naman siya universal. Anong universal partnership? Any other than particular partnership. Kumbaga, this is a residual definition. Makikita niyo yung mga particular partnership sa mga next discussions natin. Okay, so review. The following are the essential requisites of a partnership except yung may nag-video kayo dyan.
Nakinig.
Sir, hindi
Sir, may
video.
gazag, sir.
Hindi, mag-mute na lang. Mag-mute na
Na-mute
lang.
ko na.
Sino yan? Ayan.
Okay, let's start. So the following are the essential requisites of partnership exec.
D.
Letter.
D.
Okay, let's correct letter.
D.
D.
Dog.
D.
Yes.
Dog. Okay, the partnership must be registered in the SEC. So ito yung essential requisite. May mutual contribution and lawful dapat yung object or yung purpose. So hindi tayo pwede magtayo ng, kahit hindi tayo minors, kahit meron tayong capacity to give consent, hindi tayo pwede magtayo ng partnership to sell marijuana. Okay? Letter C, the partnership must be established for the common benefit or interest of the partners, which is to obtain profits and to divide the profits among themselves. This is the parang generic or a general purpose ng partnership, to divide profits. Of course, merong mga partnership na not really for profit, for more on practicing their profession, giving back to the community. Pero at least it should have at least a purpose of obtaining profits and divide the benefits among themselves. Hindi siya kailangan yung principal talaga. Okay, so letter D, the partnership must be registered in the SEC. Same nung una nating question, hindi kailangan ng registrations for the partnership to exist. Okay, when an unlawful partnership is dissolved by a judicial decree, to whom shall the partnership profits go? For example, nagtayo nga tayo ng partnership, then nalaman na nagabenta tayo ng shabu pala doon, yun pala yung operation natin. Hindi pala detergent ang binibenta natin, but shabu nalaman. So, gidissolve yung partnership natin. So, kanino mapupunta yung mga profits ng pagbebenta natin ng shabu?
Letter
State
D.
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 The state. Hindi rin pwede sa partners.
Sa partner. Pareho lang man din sila. Yun ang negosyo nila.
Pinaglalaban mo. Eh. Ano pinaglalaban mo, Aileen?
Sorry,
Letter
boy.
D.
The answer is letter, paki-raise ng answer.
Letter D, sir.
Letter D, correct to the state. Meron bang makukuha si innocent partner? For example, wala naman siyang idea, akala niya talaga ang ginagawa ng partnership na nila is detergent. Innocent siya. Meron siyang makukuha possibly. One would be yung kanyang i-contribute. Pwede maibalik sa kanya yun. For example, nag-contribute siya ng machinery, or ng building, knowing na akala niya lawful yung kanilang operation, pwedeng maibalik sa kanya yon.
Pero sir, yung profit, hindi. Yung gi-contribute
Hindi,
nyo lang,
kasi nga
sir.
yung profit is nanggaling, kasi nga yung
Sa
profit is nanggaling
yes.
sa pagbebenta ng illegal.
Okay,
So the
sir.
following persons may become a partner.
Hamdi,
of
wag ka mag...
Haram yun, haram.
Okay, the
Haram
following
yun, Hamdi.
persons may become partner exec.
Letter D. Okay.
Charo.
Can you raise your answer?
Letter D.
Letter?
D, sir.
Correct, that's letter.
Idol masyado yung kay Jul. Sana all Jul. May
Oo nga.
ano.
Joel, paano yan, Joel?
So we have corporation. By the way, hindi basta-basta nakaka-create ang corporation ng partnership. Okay? Pero they may become a partner as long as ino-authorize sila ng law. Hindi basta-basta nakaka-create ng partnership kasi rin ng corporation. Pero ang mas tamang sagot is of course letter D, dead person
Ilag
can
ka,
never
Jun.
become a partner. So we have another question. Angel, Bert, and Carl agreed to form ABC partnership. It was orally agreed that Angel, Bert, and Carl would contribute to 20,000, 15,000, and 5,000 respectively. It was orally agreed that in the event the venture proved to be a financial loss, all losses above the amounts of capital contributed will be assumed by Angel. There were no other express agreements. Under circumstances, which of the following is correct?
Pass.
Sirit.
The answer, sirit guys.
Sarap.
So, bakit naka-off na yung mga camera nyo?
Wala lagi.
Naglo-load na naman tong ano na.
Wait lang, sir. Intindihin mo na. There are...
By 10,
Wait lang, sir.
Those are
9,
this is the amounts of capital contributed.
7, 6,
Isa.
5, 4,
Hindi.
3, 2, 1. Okay? Show your answers. Okay, yung iba hindi ko pa nakikita.
Contains kind of writing. See?
So we have letter D. Tama ba? Isa is letter C. Okay. May letter D, may letter B, may letter B.
Ibayin natin, sir, gay na A yakin. A.
Okay, so we have the answer is, basahin natin letter A. Profits are to be divided in accordance with the wish of A being the major contributor. That's wrong. Okay? Hindi yan yung default na profit distribution once na walang agreement. First of all, kung sa profit distribution, ang susundin is yung agreement. Kung anong napag-usapan. The second is prorata ng kanilang contribution. Kung magkano i-contribute nila.
Paano kung walang pinag-usapan, sir?
Profits.
Yun,
nga,
prorate?
yun, prorata.
Okay.
Prorate yan sa kanilang contribution. So profits are to be divided equally. Mali yun kasi yun nga, hindi yan yung ano. Wala naman sa agreement nila na equally ang kanilang hatian. Letter C, the partnership is void because the agreement is not contained in a signed writing. As per the definitions, essential requisite, a characteristic of a contract of partnership, contract of partnership is a consensual contract. So hindi kailangan ng written agreement as long as nag-agree.
Meeting of minds.
Kahit oral pa yan, writing pa yan, in public or private yung writing, it doesn't matter. As long as may consent and nagkaroon ng understanding between the parties, meron ng contract of partnership. Letter D.
Letter D.
Partnership is valid notwithstanding failure to put the agreement in a public instrument. This is correct. Valid yung partnership nila. Letter D is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following is not a right of a partner?
D.
Any number. Yeah, okay.
The answer is letter
A.
Letter B.
B.
Admit another partner into the partnership kasi hindi yun right ng isang partner. Hindi siya kasali sa mga rights niya. Kasi nga, kailangan pa ng consent ng other partners. Hindi
Lahat
ka
ng
basta-basta maka-admit ng another partner.
Sir, pwede pa na mag-associate?
Another person. Pwede.
Yes.
Pwede ako
So,
makipag-associate.
interest.
Okay, yung 50% kong share sa profit, bigyan kita doon ng 10%. Pwede yun. Okay? Hindi na kailangan ng approval nun. Ngayon, may 50% akong share sa partnership profit, pwede kong sabihin sa kaibigan ko na pwede kitang bigyan ng 10% nun. Okay? Doon kami makipagkontrata. Outside na yun. May association or assignment of interest. Pwede kong i-assign yung interest ko sa partnership kahit kanino without the need of the consent of the other partners. Okay. Ariel, Ben, and Chris orally agreed to form a partnership 2 years from today, each one to contribute 20,000. If at the arrival of the said period, one of them refuses to go ahead with the agreement, can any of the partner enforce the agreement?
C.
Andyan.
1 D. Ito D. Kasi 20,000. Malala ko lang 3,000 ang
Yung ganyan po gamitin.
C.
Ano? No by no lang.
ABC na yung choices.
No.
No daw,
Anong
sir.
sa'yo, Tay? Tay, anong
Ano?
sa'yo? C?
Letter C.
D?
No.
Okay,
No.
so your answers.
N. Answer.
Letter C, sir.
D. Sana.
So the answer is
No.
letter letter C. No, because the agreement was merely oral and executory. So kaya
Yes,
ang agreement
sir.
nila, nag-usap si A, si B,
Yes,
and si C.
sir.
Nagawa tayo ng
Wala.
partnership 2 years from now. Okay? 2 years from now. Wala pang partnership. Ang agreement nila is not an agreement of partnership, but an agreement to create a
Yes,
partnership.
sir.
So executory pa yon. And alam natin sa statute of frauds, makitandaan sa obligations and contracts, kapag more than 1 year yung mga plans na agreement, kailangan in writing yon to be valid. And to be valid and enforceable. Okay? So since can any of the partner enforce the agreement? That's no. Hindi pwede. Mali yung D kasi ang sabi dito, it should be in a public instrument. Mali din yung public instrument. Kaya okay lang na in writing, kahit private pa yon. Naintindihan? Pakitandaan yung statute of frauds. Paki-memorize as much as possible yung statute of frauds. Kung ano yung mga agreement that should be in writing. This is a partnership which all the partners contribute to all property which actually belong to them, to the common fund with the intention of dividing the same among themselves as well as the profits which they acquire therewith.
Universal partnership. Kahit gabi, maganda pa rin si Miles.
Sana all.
Hi.
Kagwapa ni Mitch, oy.
Oh, si Jul.
Adam, tahimik ka daw.
Ay, ingay ni Adam, no?
Kasi
Grabe ka
si
naman.
sir, nag-aingay siya.
Bayobs, gising.
Nag-aantay ako.
Si Sir. Hi, Sir.
Ayos, pakigalaw ng baso.
Di pala ubog.
Bad.
Okay, so ang correct answer doon is yung universal partnership of all
Partnership
present
present
property.
properties.
Kanina.
Nabanggit
Ngayon
mo
naman,
na.
yung all present property is lahat ng automatic lahat ng pamamay-ari is ibibigay kay partnership.
Oo ka, Aileen. Oo ka. Kagwapo ni Adam.
Baboy ka. Gago.
Kaya ang question naman ito,
Gwapo ni Adam.
Kagwapo. Oh,
sige na, sagutan nyo na.
Hey, sir.
The answer is letter
Sir A.
A.
letter B. Profits naman to. Universal partnership of
Nye.
profits.
Ay, napalitan pala.
Tama pala. Ah, iba na pala ang tanong.
Iba na pala ang tanong.
Iba na pala.
Yes,
Ayun na
eh.
yung
Ay, iba pala, sir.
Ano?
Sorry.
Darling, may nakita.
Okay, so balik muna tayo sa previous slide, sa previous question. Dito, pakitandaan all present property. How about yung mga future properties? I-donate din ba? Magiging part din ba siya ng partnership? Generally, that's a no. Okay? Kasi by definition, parang itong of all present property is a donation. Para siyang donation. And alam natin sa donor's tax, hindi pwedeng i-donate ang mga future property, including future inheritance, di ba? Hindi pwedeng i-donate yun. Okay, so walang nangyayari, hindi pwedeng isama yung mga future properties. Okay?
Hindi pwede
Yung
advance
namana,
ownership.
yung inheritance, donation, yung mga natanggap mo through donation ng mga property, hindi din. Paano naman yung mga profits from other sources? Kasama din ba sa universal partnership of all present property? Pwede siyang isama pero kailangan i-stipulate sa kontrata na kasama yung income mo sa other sources maliban sa partnership. Okay? Yung other sources mo other than the partnership profits na isama din mismo sa partnership. Pero kailangan naka-stipulate yun. Naka-express. Okay? Okay? In-express natin yun sa agreement. Okay, next we have, ito naman, si universal partnership of profits. Paano naman yung mga profits na nakuha mo by chance? Nanalo ka ng loto? Or paano naman yung mga profits na nakuha mo through mana? Okay? Sa mga property mo na mana, generally yung sa chance hindi siya kasama. Okay? Hindi siya ma-include. Okay? So, hindi siya kasama sa ibibigay sa partnership. Pero lahat ng profits mo generally kasama sa partnership. Except lang yung sa chance, pati na rin yung mga profits from the future properties mo. Hindi rin kasama kasi again, since yung future properties mo is hindi naman part ng partnership, hindi na rin kasama yung profit nun. Pero pwede siyang i-include kapag naka-stipulate. Again, yung profits sa future, profits, pwede siyang i-include katulad ng sa all present property. Okay, by the way, what if ang nakalagay lang is kasi ang default talaga sa partnership is universal partnership. Pero for example, hindi natin nilagay kung anong klaseng universal partnership ang itatayo natin, either of all present property siya or profits. So ano yung default na partnership?
Profits.
Present property or profits?
Profits.
Profit.
That would be profits. Sa profits. So again, by default, universal partnership of profits. Partnership.
Yes.
Other than that, is called a particular partnership. For example, yung partnership na itatayo natin, ang sabi lang natin, hindi lahat ng property ibibigay natin. Ang ibibigay ko lang is lupa, yung sa'yo, building, yung sa kanya, pera niya lang. So, particular partnership na yon kasi hindi siya universal partnership. Nakuha? Example, pati yung partnership profession or a professional partnership, hindi rin siya A or B kasi sa professional partnership naman, ang ibibigay mo is service. So, hindi rin siya kasama. So, particular partnership yung professional partnership. So, hanggang dyan muna.
Yes, sir.
So, any questions?
Yung corporate partnership, sir. May ganun.
Walang ganon. Okay. Ay, meron ganon yung sinabi ko na yung mga partnership. Yung mga
Medyo
corporate
wala
na
kang tanong,
authorized.
Medj.
Adam, maingay ka.
Kasi corporate na siya, sir. Tapos partnership pa.
Hindi, di ba kasi sabi nga, yung mga corporation is pwedeng i-authorize na maging partner. So, nagkaroon ng parang corporate partnership. Pero in reality, walang ganung term eh. Yung corporate partnership.
Right.
Pero yung corporation pwedeng maging partner.
Partner and
As long as
partnership.
in-authorize siya ng law.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Any question?
None so far, sir. Mag-quiz tayo sa Friday. Yung sa Friday na quiz, sir, ano coverage?
Itong napag-usapan lang natin, ang coverage nun.
Hanggang kayo kinds of partnership.
Sir, i-upload mo ang
Oo.
i-upload mo ang PPT, sir.
I-upload ko yung slide.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, anong types ng case mo, sir?
Multiple choice pati essay. Oh, by the way, paki-group na yung mga sarili nyo into 3. Pero kasi since, ilan lang ba kayo? 20? Yan ba kayo sa official list ko nga?
24.
24, sir.
26 kayo.
26.
26?
Pero ngayon, yung nandito sa klase is 24 lang. So, 26
Umalis
kayo. So,
yan.
merong isang group na 2 lang yung members.
Sir, para saan yung grouping, sir?
2 members lang. Para sa reporting.
Sige.
Critic group pati yung mag-report.
Yes, sir.
So, merong 2 lang. Mag-decide na kung sino lang yung 2.
Basta ako,
Jun,
sir, kami
solo.
tatlo ni Taya, Amil, pati sa Fra.
Akala ko solo si Jun.
Sir, Abbas, Brenda Liday, sir.
Okay, sige lang. Sige na, doon nyo na i-group yung sarili. Okay?
Uy,
Sige na,
sa amin
i-leave
si
the meeting
Steph.
na. Pwede na kayong...
Sa akin
Sige
si
na,
Jul.
goodbye. Ay.
Ay, Brad?
Iya tayo.
Sige,
Nice
sige.
ka, Al.